Divide day 23 in the Gila with Nick. Started out 25 miles north of Pie Town and in a day, as Nick said, of the unexpected. The bike will now not roll about 10 miles from Beaverhead Work Center. See, covered in mud from head to toe. Started out with a little bit of rain this morning, a rainbow, full rainbow, and saw 3 elk in southern New Mexico. We have a bike skid going on here now. It's like a tractor pull. See how far you can go. We got to Pie Town, everything was closed, but Nita at the Toaster House took care of us. Frozen pizza, coffee, applesauce, oh, and pie, banana cream pie. So it was a good day until until we crossed the last Continental Divide crossing, and then the road turned to crap, and it's just muddy, mucky mess.